Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to wind your Bulova Mechanical Watch, so a manual winding mechanical watch. This is a 1950s Art Deco ladies piece, but this tutorial can apply to other manual winding mechanical watches as well. So what you want to do is to rotate the watch crown to the right, so in a clockwise direction, just like this. And you can also hear the watch wind. You can do this for around 10 to 20 times in order to fully wind your Bulova watch. But also something very important is that as you keep on winding your watch, at some point you are going to feel more and more resistance to your winding. You never want to go past that point because you can actually damage the mainspring. So once you start to feel a lot of resistance, you need to stop. As I mentioned, if you have a serviced watch, you can wind it around 20 times. But if you have an older version that hasn't been serviced in a long time, make sure to see how many times you can actually wind the watch. Once the energy is going to be released and the watch is going to stop, you can actually wind the watch once again. So guys, that was the quick tutorial that I had for you today. This is how you wind your Bulova, let's say Art Deco mechanical manual winding watch. And if you enjoyed this type of content, guys, about watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials and watch reviews, leave a comment, subscribe, like this video, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.